Welcome back to Cars Insider, your #1 source for everything fast, futuristic, and phenomenal in the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars that redefine performance and elegance, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the hottest cars from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-performance hybrids with the all-new 2026 McLaren Artura. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's setting new benchmarks for what a hybrid supercar can really do. With a price tag starting around $245,000, the 2026 Artura is more than just a car, it's a statement of innovation, power, and refined engineering. The McLaren Artura is not just another exotic car. It's the next chapter in McLaren's mission to blend extreme performance with forward-thinking technology. In fact, the name Artura itself is a blend of art and future, a fitting label for a car that fuses aesthetic beauty with cutting-edge mechanics. And in the 2026 model year, McLaren has made this hybrid even sharper, faster, and more driver-focused than ever before. Let's talk design. One look at the 2026 Artura and you'll know this car was born to turn heads. Its shape is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, with every line and curve serving a purpose. The front end features a low, aggressive nose with large air intakes that feed the twin-turbo V6 and cool the electric systems. The rear is equally dramatic, showcasing a minimalist diffuser and thin LED tail lights that emphasize its modern look. McLaren has made subtle but significant changes to the 2026 exterior, including revised air channels and a lighter composite body structure to shave off even more weight. The body is built on McLaren's new carbon lightweight architecture, or MCLA, which makes the Artura incredibly rigid yet lightweight. This means better cornering, quicker acceleration, and a more responsive driving experience overall. The entire car weighs just under 3,300 pounds, including the hybrid components. That's incredibly light for a car with this kind of performance and technology packed inside. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, sits a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that works in tandem with a powerful axial flux electric motor. Together, they produce a combined 690 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch the Artura from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds flat. The top speed, 205 miles per hour. Not bad for a hybrid. What's impressive here is not just the speed, but how that power is delivered. The electric motor fills in the torque gaps between gear shifts, giving you instant acceleration at any speed. And with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts in the blink of an eye, the car feels smooth yet incredibly responsive. You never feel a delay, just pure, uninterrupted performance. The hybrid system isn't just for performance, though. The Artura can travel up to 19 miles on electric power alone. That might not sound like much, but it's perfect for city commutes or short drives when you want silence and zero emissions. Charging the small 7.4 kWh battery is quick, too, taking just 2.5 hours on a standard EV charger. Step inside the cabin, and you're welcomed by a driver-centric interior that balances minimalism with high-tech features. Everything is built around the driver. The digital instrument cluster moves with the steering column, so your information is always right where you need it. There's an 8-inch touchscreen for infotainment, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though McLaren wisely kept the system straightforward to avoid distracting you from the driving experience. The seats are lightweight racing-style buckets that offer excellent support without sacrificing comfort. Premium materials like Alcantara and leather are used throughout, with optional carbon fiber trims for those who want that extra edge. Despite being a performance machine, the Artura also offers practical touches like dual-zone climate control, built-in navigation, and over-the-air updates to keep your car current with the latest software improvements. McLaren has also worked hard to improve the car's everyday usability. Noise insulation has been improved in the 2026 version, making it quieter in electric-only mode. The ride is also surprisingly comfortable thanks to the adaptive suspension system that reads the road and adjusts in real time. Safety and driver assistance features, often an afterthought in supercars, are not ignored here. The 2026 Artura comes with features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and even optional adaptive cruise control. It's not loaded with nanny features, but it has enough to make daily driving safer without getting in the way of performance. Now, let's talk value. With a base price of $245,000, the 2026 McLaren Artura sits right in the middle of the supercar segment. But when you consider the hybrid technology, advanced materials,